Welcome everyone, welcome to Mentor Buddy. This is your mentor Akhil. Today we are going to discuss the question which is based on linear equation, basically the part of algebra. Now coming directly to the question first. The question says apple cost rupees L per kilogram for first 30 kilograms and Q rupees per kilogram for each additional kilogram. If the price paid for 33 kilogram of rupees is 1167 and for 36 kilogram of apple is rupees 1284, then the cost of the first 10 kilogram of apple is how much? And the listed options are 117, 350, 281 and 1053 rupees. Now in order to solve this question, we need to understand the relation between the fixed cost, variable cost and the total cost. Now coming directly to the concept. So the concept says the total cost of any event is always equals to the summation of fixed cost and variable cost. Now let's understand the same thing with the help of one simple example. Let's say for a particular ride, a cab or a taxi charged a fixed cost of rupees 80. So rupees 80 is going to be the fixed cost, and for per kilometer it charge rupees 10. And the question is, find the cost for a journey of 10 kilometers. For 10 kilometers, what will be the total cost? So we know that total cost is dependent upon the fixed cost plus variable cost. So we can see fixed cost is rupees 80 and variable cost for per kilometer is 10 rupees. So for 10 kilometers it will be 10 into 10, that will be equals to 180 rupees. So that is going to be the total answer in this case. Now applying the same logic in this question, the question says for any event, let's say picnic or a get together, the total cost for 20 people is rupees 3750, and for the same event the cost for 30 people is rupees 6250. Then find the total cost for 50 people. So we know that total cost is equals to fixed cost plus variable cost. So for the similar reason, the total cost is rupees 3750, fixed cost will be F, and for 20 people variable cost will be 20V. Similarly, the total cost is rupees 6250, fixed cost will be F, and for 40 people variable cost will be 40V. Now we can see there are two simultaneous equations. Let's solve them simultaneously. So we'll take the difference of the two equations. So 6250 minus 3750 will be equals to 2500. The fixed cost will be ruled out, and 40V minus 20V will be equals to 20V. Solving this, variable cost will be equals to 2500 upon 20. So that will be equals to 125 rupees. Now we need to figure out the fixed cost as well. So we know fixed cost can be written as like 3750 minus 20V. So 3750 is the fixed cost minus 20 into variable cost is 125. Solving this, that will be equals to 1250. So in this case my fixed cost is coming out to be as 1250. Now the question arises, what will be the total cost for 50 people? So we know the expression that total cost will be equals to fixed cost plus 20 people variable cost will be 20V. Solving this, fixed cost will be 1250 plus 20 into, we have to figure out the total cost for 50 people. So that will be fixed cost plus 50V. So that will be 50 into 1250. So that will be equals to 1250 plus 6250. That will be equals to 7500. So the total cost for 50 people will be equals to 7500. So this is the logic of the fixed cost and variable cost which will be working in our coming question. Now coming to the question, According to the question, for the initial 30 kgs of apple are costing rupees L per kg, and for any additional amount which is taken above 30 kgs, the cost will be rupees Q per kg. So with the help of the same data, we can say if the price of 33 kilogram is 1167, so we can deduce that 30 into L plus 3 into Q is equals to 1167. How I'm getting this equation? So we know for first 30 kilograms, so out of 33 kgs, first 30 kilograms the cost will be 30L, and for the remaining 3 kgs the cost will be 3Q. Similarly, the cost for 33 kilogram is given as 1284. So first 30 kgs cost will be 30L, and the remaining 6 kgs cost will be 6Q, and that is equals to the 1284. In this case, this is going to be the fixed cost and this will be the variable cost. Now, solving this question, these are two linear equations, we have to solve them simultaneously, so taking the difference of the same. So this will be ruled out, so this will be 3Q is equals to 117. Solving this, Q will be equals to 39. Now the question says then we have to figure out the cost of first 100 kilograms of apple, sorry, first 10 kilograms of apple. So first 10 kilograms of apple must be costing rupees 10L. So we have to deduce and figure out the value of 10L. So framing this value of 3Q in first equation, will get the value of 30L. So we can say 30L will be equals to, or you can say 3Q will be equals to 30L minus 1167. Solving this, 30L will be equals to 1050. Now we have to figure out the value of 10L. So dividing the same by 3, dividing it by 3, that will be equals to 350. So the cost of first 10 kilograms of apple will be 350 rupees, and that is given as option number B. That's the correct answer.